Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, BTAs and a classic dill red potato salad. The morning mise en place. Just after the super simple prep. The potatoes are boiling. Potatoes are done. The mise en place for the dressing. Here's the base of the dressing finished. I'm adding the dill. Here's the finished dressing. And I'm getting ready to marry the two. Here's the finished potato salad in the mixing bowl. And here's the done potato salad. Bacon ready to go in the hot box. The bacon in the hot box. And the bacon just out of the hot box. Here it is, ready to eat. Here's the assembly line. Bacon and avocado. And then I add the beautiful tomatoes. And here's the big potato salad again. The BTA. And the final presentation. Thank you for coming to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.